friends, my name is Priya Aishwarya. I am studying in 6th class. Today I am telling about perimeter and area. First one is triangle. It is a closed figure formed by 3 line segments. The perimeter of triangle. Wait, I will draw the picture of triangle. It is a triangle. The perimeter of triangle is equals to perimeter of a triangle is equals to sum of all sides of the triangle. Sum of all sides of the triangle. What is the formula of area? What is the formula of area of the triangle? The formula of the area of the triangle is half into B into H. Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is equals to half into B into H. Half into B into H. Let us consider one example. See. Or suppose if the sides of the triangle is 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 5 centimeters, then what is the perimeter? I told that the perimeter is equals to sum of the all sides of the triangle. So the perimeter is equals to, perimeter is equals to 3 plus 4 plus 5. 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equals to 12 centimeters. If the base of a triangle, if the base, I will draw again. If the base of the triangle is 12 centimeter and its height is 8 centimeters, then find its area. So area is equals to, here base is equals to 12 centimeters and height is equals to 8 centimeters. We know the formula of area is half into B into H. Half into B into H is equals to half into, here B is 12. So 12 centimeters into height is 8. So into 8 centimeters. 2 ones are 2 fours are is equals to 48 square centimeters. And next one is rectangle. The opposite sides of a quadrilateral is equal, then it is said to be a rectangle. We want to know the perimeter of rectangle. See. Rectangle. It is the rectangle. Length, breadth. The perimeter of a rectangle. We know the formula of perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of a rectangle is equals to 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. And the area of a rectangle is L into B. Area of a rectangle is equals to L into B. Let us consider one example about rectangle. In this rectangle, L is equals to 4 centimeters. In this rectangle, length is equals to 4 centimeters and breadth is equals to 6 centimeters. We want to find perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter is equals to, we know the formula is 2 into L plus B is equals to 2 into L is 4 centimeters, 4 plus, and B is 6 centimeters, 6 is equals to 2 into 10 is equals to 20 centimeters. And in this only we want to find area also. Area is equals to L into B. We know the formula L into B. Here L is equals to 4 centimeters. 4 into B is equals to 6 centimeters. 6 is equals to 24 centimeters.